Let's understand AWS architecture in 60 seconds. So it starts with the Route 53, the DNS service that connects your domain name to the AWS. Then we have CloudFront, a CDN. This is where your frontend gets served globally. And we pair it with S3, where your build files of React or Next.js are stored. Next, when the frontend calls the backend, the request goes through an API gateway. It acts as an entry point and handle routing, authentication, rate limiting, and access control. So to actually run your backend code like Node.js or Spring Boot, AWS gives you three options, that is EC2, ECS, and Lambda. So EC2 is a virtual machine on AWS where you can choose operating system, RAM, storage, and everything. So in EC2 you have to install the runtime environment to run your backend code. You have to manage everything from scaling to security. It gives you flexibility but also responsibility. Then we have ECS. This is used when you want to run the Docker containers in production. ECS is perfect when your app is containerized and microservices based. And the last we have Lambda. It is a serverless in which you don't have to manage servers. The AWS will manage it for you. You just have to upload your function and AWS will run it when the user will request. If it is not running, you have to pay nothing, and it is best for event-driven applications. For heavy background work like emailing, notification processing, invoice generation, we use SQS as a message queue. Now for storing the data, we have two options, DynamoDB and RDS. We use RDS when we need relational database like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and we use DynamoDB for NoSQL workloads. The last we have S3 storage. It is the object storage where we can store images, videos, files, PDF, basically anything users upload, and it uses CloudFront CDN for providing the content fast.